Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting video lined up for you about the benefits of having multiple streams of income, so let's dive in. In today's dynamic financial landscape, relying on a single source of income is increasingly seen as risky. Whether you're an employee, a business owner, or an investor, diversifying your income sources can offer significant advantages. Multiple streams of income can provide financial stability, security, and opportunities for growth. Together, we'll explore the benefits of having multiple lines of income, discussing how they can enhance financial well-being, reduce risk, and support personal and professional goals. What are multiple streams of income? Multiple streams of income refer to having various sources of revenue beyond a primary job or business. These can include active income from traditional employment, passive income from investments, and other sources such as side businesses, freelance work, or rental properties. The key is diversification, spreading out your income sources to avoid relying too heavily on one. Financial security and stability. One of the most significant benefits of having multiple streams of income is the reduction in financial risk. If your primary job or business experiences a downturn, or if you lose your job, having additional sources of income can help you maintain your financial stability. This diversification ensures that you are not solely dependent on one source for your livelihood. Multiple income streams can serve as a financial cushion during emergencies. Unexpected expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or home maintenance, can be managed more effectively when you have various sources of income to draw upon. This preparedness reduces stress and provides peace of mind knowing that you are better equipped to handle unforeseen financial challenges. Enhanced financial growth. With multiple streams of income, you have more opportunities to grow your wealth. Each additional income source can contribute to savings, investments, or debt repayment. For example, earnings from a side business or rental income can be reinvested to build a diversified investment portfolio, leading to accelerated wealth accumulation. Having extra income allows you to explore various investment opportunities that you might not be able to pursue with a single income source. Whether it's real estate, stocks, bonds, or starting a new venture, additional income provides the flexibility to diversify your investments and potentially achieve higher returns. Flexibility and freedom. Multiple streams of income can offer greater career flexibility. If you have additional sources of revenue, you may feel more comfortable exploring different career paths or pursuing passions that might not be as financially stable. This freedom allows you to take calculated risks and pursue opportunities that align with your interests and long-term goals. With multiple income sources, you can often achieve a better work-life balance. For instance, if you have a side business or freelance work that provides supplementary income, you might be able to negotiate a reduced work schedule or take extended time off from your primary job without sacrificing financial stability. Risk mitigation. Just as diversification of investments reduces financial risk, having multiple income streams helps mitigate the risk of financial instability. Different income sources are affected by varying economic conditions and market fluctuations, so if one stream suffers, others may remain unaffected or even thrive. This balance helps protect against economic downturns and industry-specific challenges. Economic and market fluctuations can impact different income sources in various ways. For example, while a downturn in the stock market might affect your investment income, a stable rental property or side business might continue to provide consistent revenue. By diversifying your income streams, you can reduce the overall impact of market fluctuations on your financial situation. Personal and professional development. Developing multiple streams of income often requires acquiring new skills or expanding existing ones. Whether it's learning how to invest in real estate, starting an online business, or honing freelance skills, each income stream contributes to personal growth and professional development. These skills can open up additional opportunities and enhance your career prospects. Having multiple income sources can also foster an entrepreneurial mindset. The experience gained from managing different revenue streams can lead to innovative ideas and new business ventures. This entrepreneurial spirit can drive creativity, increase your ability to identify and capitalize on opportunities, and contribute to long-term success. Increased financial independence. With multiple streams of income, you gain greater control over your financial situation. Instead of relying solely on one job or business, you can make decisions based on a broader financial picture. This control allows you to plan more effectively, set and achieve financial goals, and make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. Multiple income streams can accelerate your path to financial independence and early retirement. By diversifying your income, you can build wealth more quickly, achieve financial milestones, and ultimately retire earlier than if you relied on a single source of income. This financial freedom offers the flexibility to pursue your passions, enjoy leisure activities, and live life on your terms. Networking and collaboration. Pursuing multiple income streams often involves networking and collaborating with different individuals and organizations. Whether you're involved in a side business, freelance work, or investment ventures, you have the opportunity to connect with new people, expand your professional network, and create valuable relationships. These connections can lead to additional opportunities and enrich your career. Working on diverse income sources can foster cross-pollination of ideas and innovations. The skills and knowledge gained from one income stream can often be applied to others, leading to creative solutions and new approaches. For instance, insights from managing a rental property might inspire innovative strategies for a side business or investment opportunities. Psychological benefits. Financial stress can arise from job loss, economic downturns, or unexpected expenses. By having multiple streams of income, you reduce the reliance on a single source, which can alleviate financial stress and provide a greater sense of security. Knowing that you have various revenue sources can contribute to mental well-being and overall quality of life. The ability to generate income from multiple sources can boost your confidence in your financial management skills. Successfully managing different revenue streams demonstrates your capability to adapt and thrive in diverse financial environments. This confidence can positively impact other areas of your life, including personal goals and career aspirations. Long-term financial resilience. Multiple income streams contribute to long-term financial resilience by providing various avenues for wealth building. Consistent contributions from different sources enable you to save, invest, and grow your assets over time. This gradual accumulation of wealth enhances your financial stability and supports long-term financial goals. Economic conditions, industry trends, and personal circumstances can change over time. By having multiple sources of income, you can adapt to these changes more effectively. Whether it's shifting focus to more lucrative opportunities or adjusting strategies based on market trends, diversified income sources offer the flexibility to navigate evolving financial landscapes. In summary, having multiple streams of income offers a range of benefits that contribute to financial security, growth, and overall well-being. By diversifying your revenue sources, you reduce dependence on a single income, mitigate financial risks, and enhance your ability to achieve personal and professional goals. Multiple income streams provide flexibility, foster entrepreneurial opportunities, and support long-term financial resilience. Embracing the concept of multiple income streams can lead to a more secure and prosperous financial future. Whether through side businesses, investments, or freelance work, exploring and developing various sources of revenue empowers you to take control of your finances, build wealth, and achieve the financial freedom you desire. By understanding and leveraging the benefits of multiple streams of income, you can create a more robust and resilient financial foundation that supports your aspirations and provides peace of mind in an ever-changing economic environment. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.